Hello friends, I'm on way to Chamagarh right now. It's very steep climb. Along with me, there are two friends, Mr. V.S. Rana, who is a Principal Chief Conservator of Forest retired, and another Mr. N.G. Tracker, who is retired Superintending Engineer from Electricity Board. Both of them are going ahead, and I'm just following them because the climb is very steep, of course. We started from Kulu today morning at around 10 o'clock, and we reached Kaisdhar around 12. And after having our some food, some light refreshment, we started towards Chambagad. Chambagad is about 3-4 kilometers, just trekking, a steep climb, very steep climb through the thick forest and right up to top where there's no vegetation at all. There's a bald mountain, and this is the first trek of this season. And now we are planning to go to Kunjum Pass to Hamta, right up to Kaza through Kunjum Pass, and that of course we will cover it in August when the weather is conducive. Right now Kunjum Pass is full of snow, which is just difficult, not possible to of course trek that area. Last year we had gone up right up to Hamta Pass, but had to come back from Hamta Pass because of inclement weather. After having stayed overnight at Balu Ghera, we returned next morning from the pass, and it was a wonderful trek, of course. Now this is basically just a acclimatization trekking. Right now, of course, we are preparing for the season now. This being the first trek of the season, it will acclimatize and give an idea to which kind of treks we can really do this time. Because the age is also a factor, because every year we are now aging, and according to our age, we have to plan. Of course, tough ones are difficult to do, but of course there are some people who can always motivate the people around. So we always go and see that trek is completed, but it's very arduous, of course. We have to carry along our own paraphernalia along with us, logistics, because we will not get anybody to carry for us. Somewhere in between, maybe we get some gaddis, those Gujars, those who come to look after their meadows for grass for their buffaloes and then cattle, sheep, goat. They go over there, but they are used to all these kind of things. But we are the casual trekkers, of course, not professional ones, but still it takes time. Acclimatization is very important. Once you are acclimatized, then of course it becomes very easy, not so difficult. So okay, let me take some rest for the time being and take me breath, then I will resume. Thank you.